Progress Test, Unit 6.
Hi there, I'm Chris. Are you here for the TV show?
Young Business Person of the Year? Yes, I am. I'm Kelly. I started a company when I was 12.
Really? You're ahead of me then. I started my business when I was 15, which I thought was young.
What business is that?
I design and make clothes.
Cool. How did you start?
Well, I've always been interested in making clothes which look different. Most people just wear the clothes that the big companies sell in the shops. So I started making clothes for friends who wanted something different. At first I went to charity shops where I could buy clothes cheaply. Then I cut these clothes up and made them into something new.
Cool. And then you turned your interest into a company.
Yes, I draw my own designs and I use new material now, not old clothes. Anyway, what about you?
Well, I've been writing computer programs since I was very young. Then, 2 years ago, I wrote an app which helps people to use social media.
What does it do?
Well, you know how every time someone posts a comment or changes their photo, you get a message on your smartphone. It's difficult to read everything. You can easily miss something which is more important. So I wrote an app which helps people to organise their messages.
That's really useful. I need that.
Well, download my app then. It's free.
So, how do you make money if your app is free?
I get lots of money from the companies who advertise on my app. Thousands of people use it now. What about you? Have you been very successful?
Yes, I have. After I started the company, I put photos of my designs on Instagram, and a band who saw them contacted me. I've made clothes for lots of famous people since then. Soon I'll be a millionaire.